In today's competitive landscape, small and medium-sized businesses face increasing pressure to maximize efficiency while delivering exceptional customer experiences. Automation tools have emerged as powerful allies in helping SMBs streamline operations, reduce manual workloads, and ultimately drive revenue growth. Recent research from Salesforce reveals that 91% of SMBs using artificial intelligence and automation report increased revenue, while a 2025 study by Vida found that 97% of SMBs using AI voice agents experienced revenue growth. These stats show a clear message. Automation is no longer just a competitive advantage. It's becoming essential for businesses' survival and growth. In today's session, we'll explore why automation matters for SMBs, what to consider before committing to automation tools, including important security considerations, ensuring the tools you choose align with your business's goals. I'll also share recommendations for automation tools across different business types and categories, along with guidance on building a practical adoption plan to help you successfully implement the solutions that you choose. Whether you run a service-based business, an e-commerce operation, or a B2B company, this session will help you navigate the automation landscape and help you make more informed decisions that help drive sustainable growth in your business. According to Salesforce's 2025 survey of 3,350 SMB leaders, 91% of businesses using AI and automation reported revenue increase. Just this month, Inside AI News reported that 97% of SMBs using AI voice agents saw revenue growth. This revenue impact comes from a number of factors, including increased operational efficiency, with automation eliminating repetitive, time-consuming tasks, allowing your team to focus on high-value activities. Enhanced customer experience, with automation tools enabling faster response times and more personalized interactions with customers. Reduced cost, where automating manual processes allows businesses to accomplish more with the same or less resources. And scalability, with automation allowing businesses to handle growth without proportional increases in staffing. Salesforce found that 87% of SMBs with automation say it helps them scale operations. Automation is increasingly leveling the playing field between SMBs and larger enterprises. An EVP at Salesforce noted that small and medium-sized businesses using AI see real returns across their operations, from improved efficiency to stronger customer relationships. Those who wait too long to invest risk falling behind as early adopters build their advantage. Beyond revenue impacts, automation positively affects workplace satisfaction by eliminating tedious, repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on more meaningful, creative work that drives both personal satisfaction and business value. Before investing in automation tools, SMBs should carefully evaluate several factors to ensure successful implementation and return on investment. Start by clearly defining what you want to achieve with automation. Consider which manual processes consume the most time in your business. Where do bottlenecks occur in your operations? Which areas would benefit most from increased speed and accuracy? Prioritize tools that integrate well with your existing systems. Look for pre-built integrations with your current software and APIs that allow for custom connections. Siloed systems create inefficiencies and data inconsistencies. Automation is most powerful when it can connect different business functions. Automation tools rely on data to function effectively. As the saying goes, if you put garbage in, expect garbage out. Before implementing automation, audit your existing data for accuracy and completeness. Establish data governance procedures and create a plan for ongoing data maintenance. Security is important when implementing automation tools that will handle sensitive business and customer data. Key considerations include data security, which includes data encryption, access controls, and compliance certificates. Authentication security, which includes multi-factor factor authentication, single sign-on, and password policies. Integration security is also important, which includes API security, third-party access, and webhook security. Vendor security assessments are also important, which include security practices, incident response, and server-level agreements with clear terms for uptime, support, and security. Compare cost versus value when evaluating automation tools, and consider both direct costs like subscription and implementation costs, as well as indirect costs like training and maintenance. Compare these against the expected benefits like time saved on manual tasks, improving accuracy and reducing errors, enhanced customer experience, potential revenue increase, and so on. Many automation tools offer tiered pricing that scales with your business. Start with essential features and upgrade as you grow and demonstrate ROI. Assess your team's technical capabilities and plan for comprehensive training. Identify champions who can support adoption and create clear documentation and standard operating procedures. Select automation tools that can grow with your business. Consider the ability to handle increasing data volumes, flexibility to adapt to changing processes in your business, regular updates, and new feature development. Vendor stability and market position are also quite important to consider. I've compiled recommendations for automation tools across different business types and categories. These are not exhaustive lists of potential automation tools your business could use. For service-based businesses, sales and CRM automation tools include HubSpot CRM, ActiveCampaign, and Pipedrive. For customer service automation, Freshsale, Vita AI, voice agents. For marketing automation, HubSpot Marketing. For inventory management in e-commerce businesses, Zoho Inventory, QuickBooks Commerce, and Odoro are options you can consider. For sales and marketing automation for e-commerce businesses, Drip, Omnisend, and Klaviyo are options you can consider. For order processing, ShipStation and ShipBob can help you automate fulfillment and shipping. For B2B businesses that typically have longer sales cycle, for sales automation, consider SalesMate, HubSpot Sales Hub, and Pipedrive. For marketing automation, consider ActiveCampaign. And for process automation, Zapier, N8N, and if this, then that. There are also tools for workflow automation, document automation, accounting, and finance automation. Let me know in the comments which automation tools you'd like to do a deep dive into, and we can have a session focused on that automation specifically. Successfully implementing automation tools requires a structured approach. Here is some guidance to help you build an adoption plan with 4 phases to help ensure the automation tools become an asset for revenue growth and operational efficiency in your business. Make phase 1 about assessment and planning, where you identify pain points, set clear goals, ensure stakeholder alignment, budget planning, and tool research. Make phase 2 about tool selection and preparation, where you conduct a vendor evaluation, request demos, start small, plan implementation, and prepare your data for migration. The third phase is about implementation and training, where you can do a phased rollout. Create relevant documentation like standard operating procedures and training plans, and establish a mechanism for team members to report issues or share suggestions. The fourth phase can be the optimization and expansion phase. Automation tools offer SMBs opportunities to streamline operations, enhance customer experience, and drive revenue growth. Remember that automation is a journey, not a destination. Start small, focus on high impact areas, and continuously refine your approach based on results and feedback. With the right strategy and tools, automation can become a powerful driver of sustainable growth for your small and medium-sized business. For more insights on choosing the right tech and actually using it to grow revenue in your business, sign up for Bayou's Tech's newsletter, Tech That Works, using the QR code on the screen or the link in the description. Subscribe to the channel and like this video if you found it helpful. My name is Busi, and I'll see you on the next video.